And then you have to like post it, cause I want it.
Alright.
So tell the camera what you guys are doing.
Gonna fucking fight with cops.
No, what are you doing right now though?
Reloading.
Collecting ammo.
Do not aim at my ass.
Why is my camera always out of focus?
Hey, not there. Still reloading. One more second. Maybe 2 more seconds. Somehow they came all the way over here.
Man, I'm coming down the time. I only got 38 minutes left on my camera.
Alright, ready?
Hey, why do you have so many? That's not fair.
Because I do.
I can't get to all of you guys. Oh my god!
Felicia's gonna have a heart attack.
I want to be shot to the head and neck attack like right now. Woo! Do not move!
You see the president. Hope you don't let these two out.
You shouldn't take these out in public.
Especially that one.
Where's Thor? Oh, yeah. I'm just like, I know that she's here somewhere.
I disappeared.
Okay.
Got poop.
Put your arm around me.
Fish, you're out of the line of the camera.
I like your...
Oh yeah, I got the potatoes.
Hell, miss.
It's only like $6 too, so. Which film?
Yeah.
Oh, Jeremy. Right now I'm like, I really haven't like.
Ethan casually walking away with Twizzlers.
But you know, I had the idea set.
Yeah.